In this video, we'll show you how to reset the Optyma Plus controller to the default settings. Don't forget your safety equipment. Press the upper button for 5 seconds. R05 will be displayed. Scroll to R12 and set up the value to 0 to switch the controller functionality off. Use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the menu. Confirm your choice by using the button in the middle. Check the unit label at the back or inside the condensing unit. In this example, the code number is 114X4324. Scroll to O61 and note down the value corresponding to the unit, 35. You can also get this value in the installation guide. Simultaneously press on the upper and lower buttons to reset the controller. While you press the two buttons, turn the main switch to disconnect the power supply and then turn it again to reconnect immediately. Factory and then type will be displayed. Press the upper button for 5 seconds. Scroll to O61 and set the value to 35. Scroll to O30 and select the refrigerant. Select the value depending on your refrigerant. In this example, 36 for R513A. Scroll to R12 and set the value to 1 to switch the controller functionality on. Watch the startup video to continue your installation and set up the palm down mode in the Optyma Plus controller.